In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the orientation of your monitor between landscape and portrait mode on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is select the Start button and search for Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, select System. And then on the right side, select Display. Scrolling down underneath Scale and Layout versus Display Orientation, you can click the drop-down and select Portrait or Landscape mode depending on if your system supports it. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.